Very good morning, children. So today we are going to learn about the rewrite sentences combining them with the suitable paid conjunction. Today we learn about the paid conjunction, that is the 10th bit. You have to learn all these sentences for the rewrite the sentences, you combining them with the suitable joint conjunctions, isn't it? So what are those called? Both, either, or, yes, neither, nor, but also. All these are called paid conjunction. All these are called paid conjunction. Ajay likes games. Suraj likes games. Both Ajay and Suraj likes games. You can combine them, which gives the same meaning. So we have used the conjunction here, both and. Suhan will attend the wedding. If she is busy, John will attend. Susan or anyone will attend. So what you have to write? Either Suhasan or John will attend the marriage or the wedding. Any one of them will attend the function. Okay. Susan will attend the wedding. If she is busy, John will attend. Either Susan or John will attend the marriage. The dealer did not return the money. He did not replace the faculty phone. The dealer neither returned the money. You have to write in past tense. The dealer neither returned the money nor he replaced the faculty phone. The dealer neither returned the money nor he replaced the faculty phone. The maid took care of the baby. She helped in cooking also. The maid not only took care of the baby but also helped in cooking too. So you have to, and no need of writing to later. Okay. The maid, but also you have to, not only but also you have to use here because she is doing two jobs. Okay. The maid not only took care of the baby but also helped in cooking. The maid not only took care of the baby but also helped in cooking. So not only but also you have to use here where you are writing, where the person is doing more than one job. Syed joined college. He did some social service too. Syed. So he has done two jobs. It is similar to the fourth one. Syed not only joined college but also he did some social services. Okay, we have to use two here because he is doing two different independent services. What are those? Syed not only joined college but also did some services, social services. So you have to practice this bit for the paid conjunction, that is textbook page number 79. So for this 10th bit, mark here textbook page number 79. You have to learn all the sentences where we have to use the paid conjunction, and also neither or, neither nor, it is either or. Okay, either or, neither nor, not only but also. So use all these 5 sentences. You have to practice in your classwork. Okay, learn them, then you can thoroughly do that. The next one is complete the following words with ERY or ARY. Here, this is about the 11th bit. What is the 11th bit here? Complete the following words with ERY or ARY. Okay, what are those? Archery, that is C. ARY, that is ERY. Imaginary, you have to use ARY. Dispensary, ARY. Eliminatory, ARY. Complementary, COMPLIMENTARY. Complementary, we have to use ARY. Embroidery, EMBROIDERY. You are using here ERY. Slavery, SLAVERY. Slavery, ERY you have to write. Secondary. 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 You are using ARY. Scenery. ERY. Machinery. ERY. Next one is surgery. Surgery also we use ERY. Tributary. 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 So you are using EARY and ERY or ARY according to the words. Okay. Next one is about the 11th bit. What is that 11th bit? Rewrite the sentences changing them into sentences mentioned in the brackets. What the it is first one, it is that we have to do it past continuous tense. We have to do a past continuous tense. They are coming over for lunch. So you have to use past continuous. They were, are is there, you have to use it to past. They were coming over for lunch. You have to use this. Were you have to use in place of are. We were planning a fancy dress competition. So you have to change it to future continuous tense. So what you will use when you change it to future continuous? Will be. So we will be planning a fancy dress competition. So we will be, you have to write when we are writing a future continuous tense. Next one is they will be opening a mall in the city. So it is future tense, you have to make it the present tense, present continuous tense. What you have to write? They are opening a mall in the city. They are opening the mall in the city. You have to change it to present tense, present continuous tense. I am meeting John at the theater. So you have to change it to future tense. I will be meeting John at the theater. I will be, that is in future. I will be. The next one, the dogs will be barking at us. So it is a future tense. You have to change it to past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. What you have to write here? The dogs were barking at us. Were, W-E-R-E. It is a past and continuous is barking. So where the were will be continuous. Working, eating, dancing. So it will be continuous process. So the dogs were barking at us. It is past continuous tense. Okay. The dogs will be barking when we say it is future continuous tense. So practice the Roman number 11 and Roman number 12 for the exam. Use the next one is use the nouns below as adjectives and the compound. So this is for Roman number. So this is Roman number 13, children. You have to use this. Use some of the nouns below as adjectives and write the compound words in the brackets. Okay. Kargil. What is this Kargil? How you have to join? See here all are the nouns. Okay. Kargil, dust, military, traveling, job and cantonment. And allowances, area, district, security, storm and hospital. These are the words. So you have to join them. Kargil, district. Okay. Next one is dust, storm. Military, hospital. Traveling, allowance. Job, security. Cantonment, area. So you have to write the compound words in the blanks. I'll repeat once again. Kargil, district, dust, storm, military, hospital, traveling, allowance, job, security, cantonment, area. So you have to combine this and make the compound word. You have to join this and make the compound words. So copy this. If you have not copied it, please copy in your textbook, complete it and do the revision. Okay. The next one is complete the following analogies. What are these? Rose is a flower as a truck is to vehicle. So it is, you have to complete the analogues. Table is to eat and bed is to sleep. Tall is to short. Opposite of tall is short, as heavy is to light. Hat is to head. Hat should be on the head. And a shoe is to foot. Juice is to drink as a books is to read. Day is to week as a month is to year. Date is about the week and the month is about the year. So you have to learn. I'll repeat. Rose is to flower and truck is a vehicle. Table is for eat and bed is to sleep. Tall is opposite is short and heavy opposite is light. Hat we have to keep it on the head. Hat is to head and shoes is to foot. Juice is to drink as the books are to read. Day is to week as the month is to year. So complete this analogies and practice them. That is the Roman number 14. That is Roman number 14 you have to practice. The next comes you have to okay. Now this is Roman number 15. What is this Roman number 15? Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the bracket. Okay. The words are given in the bracket. You have to pick the right word and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. The tourist surrendered to a police when he realized that his hideout was surrounded by someone. Surrendered is to surrender ourselves. Surrounded, it is covered with. The children, see you can see two words are there. What are those two words? Picnic and panic. Okay. The children went on a picnic. The children went on a picnic and they were supposed to return by 6 p.m. The parents started to be panicked when there was no sign of them even after 8 p.m. Picnic is going out for a short trip and panic is to be tensed. Next one is Janil was a wayard, but his awkward behavior irritated everyone. Wayard. So Jamil was a wayard and his behavior made the people awkward behavior. The participants who excelled were participated. The ones whose performances was average were asked to practice more and the ones who fled were expelled from them. Expelled means cancelled. Next one is my teacher handed a box to me and asked it should be handled with care. Handled means it should be maintained carefully and handed over means she gave you. So use the words correctly and fill in the blanks. That is textbook page number 86. Do more is there, no? You have to practice. And the next one is, this is the paragraph. Complete the paragraphs with prepositions. You need not learn this. Okay. And the next one is the Roman number 16. What is Roman number 16? Punctuate the following passage. You read this passage and I will give you the pic. You can write down in your classwork. Okay, write down this in your classwork today. Done, children? This is a passage you have to read. So one day, one should be written in capital. Okay, I will give you this pic. You have to practice this paragraph using the punctuate the following passage. Okay, you have to practice this in your textbook only. You have to practice. Okay, where you have to write the uppercase and where you have to put a full stop and comma. I will be sending in the pic. You have to copy this in the textbook. Okay, now the next one is complete the picture with, this is the last but one bit, children. That is this is the 17th bit. Okay, this is the 17th bit. What you have to do here, complete the words with EL, LE or EL. See, novel, NOVEL, castle, CASTLE, ample, AMPLE, kernel, KERNEL, diesel, DIESEL, Bible, BIBLE, Bible. Okay, parcel, BARCEL, barrel, BARREL. Next one is gangle, GANGLE, ankle, ANKLE, battle, BETEL, BETEL, EL you have to write, battle, BATTLE, double T-L-E, sample, S-A-M-P-L-E, label, L-A-B-L-E, fibble, F-I-D-D-L-E. So practice this also, okay? And this also I will give you the punctuation with this, and you have to practice this at home. Okay children, thank you.